Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Family Pantry. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make my rotisserie chicken. And some of the ingredients that you'll need are house seasoning, garlic salt, and the Jack Daniel's chicken rub, and a 4-pound chicken. And so why don't you come a little closer, I'll teach you how to make it. Okay, I've already cleaned the chicken and pat dried it. And so I have my gloves on. We're going to go ahead and put our house seasoning on.
And the house seasoning is just a blend of paprika, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, parsley, and because we use that kind of combination of seasoning so often, we just make it into our own. We can leave a link for our recipe and the amounts in the description box for you. You want to get under the skin.
Yeah, you just want to make sure you season it real nice. There you go.
And the chicken rub is this kind, but we've used all different kinds. It just brings out some nice smokiness and a little bit of heat.
Yeah, it really does add a nice flavor to it.
And we'll get inside the bird too. Don't worry, we're gonna get everywhere.
You season it so well that you can eat every part of it.
And when you make this, you can make it your own. You use whatever kind of seasonings you prefer or you like, whatever you and your family enjoy.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and flip it over.
And just repeat that process, huh?
Yep.
And this will let marinate overnight.
Yeah, the longer you marinate it, the better it tastes. All the seasonings will really seep in it and make the chicken just really juicy and flavorful.
And we try to marinate all of our meat at least 12 hours, if not overnight.
Got some right there.
And underneath, how about underneath that wing too? Oh yeah, we got in there, huh?
Yeah. There you go. And honestly, this is really simple to just season and marinate. It doesn't take much.
Yeah.
And
good, clean food.
Right. There you have it. And so we're going to go ahead and just make sure to get all that seasoning right into it. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up and let it marinate overnight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. All right, welcome back. So we've taken our chicken out of the refrigerator. We're letting it rest to come to room temperature, but we've already trusted the chicken. So right now, what we have going on is we have the barbecue grill preheating right now for between 350 and 450. And we're gonna put our chicken on the spit.
And when you truss a chicken, all I do is I bend the wings back and put them underneath the back. And then I just get the twine and I make sure that the legs are tied in real tight, just to make sure that everything's compact. And so as it's rotating on the spit, it doesn't fall off or have uneven cooking. And so that's kind of the only reason why we do that.
All right, so first thing, I'm gonna just kind of turn it. I'm gonna stick it right through the bottom. There we go.
And then you want to secure it real good on these prongs. Let's turn that a little bit.
Just want to make sure you're getting good space, good spots.
And then we've got the second prong on. And we just slide that in and secure it from the top. You want to make sure it gets contact with all 4 prongs. You're not trying to meet in the middle, you're just trying to make sure that everything's connected real good.
Right.
And then, because you don't want your chicken bouncing around on it. And then once it's nice and tight, we
just want to tighten it right there. And we're ready to go to the grill.
And I'll take my gloves off so I can manage the grill, and you'll keep yours on so you can handle that. So we'll see you outside on the grill. All right, so we've got our grill heated up to about 400 degrees. So we've got it all set up to our manufacturer's directions.
You just want to make sure you get everything lined up properly. Turn on the switch and rotate it. Just let it rotate. Now that it's on the spit, we have our temperature at a medium heat, and what we want to do is make sure that the internal temperature gets fully cooked, which is at 165 degrees, and it'll take about 1 hour and 30 minutes to fully cook, and so we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, this chicken is done. It's done cooking. We took the temperature. It's at 179, and we are just gonna go ahead and take it off the grill, turn off this heat.
And we'll see inside.
Alrighty. Here you have it, the chicken. It's done. It smells so delicious. I can't wait to bite into it. It looks so juicy. It smells so good. And let's have you cut right into it for us.
Got it. And it's tender, easy to cut. Do you want to grab that plate? I've got back there. Got a drumstick. And we're serving it with some green beans and some homemade bread. And so,
yes,
if you want a recipe for homemade bread, we can make a video and share a recipe with you. It's like a French loaf. All right.
Okay.
You can see how moist and delicious that is.
We'll go ahead and give this chicken a little try. Oh, that's good.
Those seasonings hit the spot, huh?
Oh yeah, that's real good.
Mm.
All right.
And the skin's done perfectly.
Yep.
Nice and crispy. Tastes amazing.
Yep.
We're ready for dinner, huh?
We are. It's cooked to perfection. I promise it. You won't regret it. And so why don't you go ahead, give it a try, and let us know how you like it. And so thank you again for coming to our family pantry, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.